Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. In today's video, I'm going to share a quick workaround using which you can easily get access to Google in internet browser or PS5. So without further delay, let's get started. On your PS5 home screen, navigate to settings cogwheel icon and press X. In the settings, navigate to guide and tips option. Then select users guide. On this page, scroll down to bottom and click on this PlayStation help link. Here select account and security. Next, select security and privacy. Now click on the how to set privacy settings for children. This will unlock more content. Click on the privacy settings for children. On this page, click on account management link. There are multiple links on this page, so click on the one you want. At last, you will see the Sony login screen. Here click on the X to close the login screen. This will take you to Sony official website. Now scroll down to bottom until you see social handle for Sony. Click on the YouTube and this will launch Sony official YouTube channel. Here click on the sign in option. On the Google sign in page, click on the terms link which is available at the bottom. Simply click on the Google Apps icon on the upper right corner and select search. This will launch the Google search. Now you can use it the way you want. Sony is patching almost all the ways to access Google in PS5, but there is possibility that this method will stay for a while. I hope this helps. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.